Alrighty, guys. We're restoring this Dodge Charger here, this old police unit.
Sure, shoot.
Reshooting the black on it, getting all that old clear coat peel off of it from when it was a
The
precise sheriff's unit. Getting it back all smooth. Still got the hood to do. Just beginning on it. Remember, you just got to do it with an old school gun. Don't do it with no Harbor's Freight crap now, or you won't turn out well at all. That down. All right, let me see that. Stand close here. She'll turn out pretty smooth. Looking all back slick, like it's ready to be put back to work. Already done recoated the wheels as well. We got the center caps for them. We got to do some work on the white. And we'll have a final video on it when it's unveiled and finished. But it's just in the beginning stages of restoration. All right, that's all, folks, from Shamrock Scrappers and Ray's Equipment Sales and Crazy Ray's Garage. That's all, folks.